going to find the total or the sum for both your x and your y component. Okay, I picked a relatively easy problem where everything is positive, okay, but if you do come across a problem that has something going west or south, please make sure you use the negatives. Please do not disregard them. It's not nice. Their feelings will get hurt too. Okay, now that you have your totals, you're going to draw a new triangle. This triangle is going to represent the entire sum of this whole picture here, okay? And what you think of it as connecting this beginning point here to this ending point here, start to finish. And that's what you're trying to find. What is the overall displacement, the net displacement? Remember, displacement has both magnitude and direction, so we're going to have two steps to this process. So first we're going to draw our triangles using our totals. Everything else that we did is now negligible. So 57.9 in the x direction positive is to the right. Okay, and 36.6 in the y direction positive is up. All right. Remember, finding the net displacement here is finding your hypotenuse. This is a right triangle, so we know we're going to be able to use our right triangle trigonometry here. Okay, I like to call my hypotenuse r the resultant vector. Okay, and that's what we're going to find. In order to find the magnitude of the displacement, aka r, you're going to do the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Plug in your numbers. Okay, once you do that, you'll know the magnitude, and then you're going to have to do the direction. Now the direction, whenever you have something like this, is going to be the angle. In order to find the angle, remember we're talking about the angle at the origin, where you started. Okay, how far did you have to turn to head in the direction, right, the shortcut to get to the finishing point? Okay, so in order to find an angle, we are going to use an inverse function. Because our numbers that we've calculated for our totals are the adjacent side and the opposite side, we're going to use the tangent function. Again, if you have a hard time with the SOHCAHTOA, please feel free to watch one of my other videos. It should be helpful to you. Okay, remember it's always opposite over adjacent, in this case y over x. And once you get that, you are finished. Just a quick note, please make sure the calculator that you are using is in degree mode. Radian mode will not help you, so if you are in pre-calculus or calculus, just double check that you're in degree mode, because sometimes you have to switch it into radian mode for those classes. Okay, so your final answer, 68.5 kilometers at 32.3 degrees, and that would be northeast. Okay. I hope this video helps you. Good luck.